Hi, Achim from American Runabouts. Here's our new project. It's a Hellwig Superpuk from 1971 and basically in pretty good shape. You might have seen a couple of pictures Instagram, Facebook when I brought it together with the green CV16. And yeah, as I said, that's the next project that we're gonna work on. The boat's pretty sturdy, no major issues. There's a few small fiberglass things, a crack on the back. So yeah, here it looks a little bit like a grizzly tried to tear it apart or something like that. These fins will go off because the boat's gonna be an electric boat, so it's gonna be used on one of the lakes here, where you can't drive with fuel engines anyway. So it gets a very nice electric engine actually, but I'll show you in a minute. Otherwise we'll keep the paint scheme, so she's be repainted in this orange and white paint scheme. Gets a new interior. There's actually nothing in it, it's completely empty. So as you can see, it's just was a bit of moisture in it. And so it's going to be a bench here, storage area in the back, also for the batteries, obviously new steering and everything, gets a new windscreen. And I think that's a super nice small boat for a single person or a couple to spend some time on the water in summer. It comes with the trailers and it sits on, it's actually two trailers at the moment, but the one that she sits on is hers, which gets a bit shortened. And probably also gets a fitting paint scheme, not sure about that yet. And it's a bit of a mess because we're moving at the moment, but if you just follow me, then I will show you the electric engine, which is super cool. So, if somebody from you guys is into diving, you know the brand Aquacept for scooters, diver propulsion vehicles, so to speak. And this gentleman, who was German, he also did most of the diver propulsion vehicles for the James Bond movies. He also made these electric engines, which are super powerful, especially considering the time they are built. So it's a perfect match for the boat because it's from the same time, it's early 70s. And so I got this one, it's running, and so also just gets a bit of restoration. And obviously, I mean, now it's driven and switched on and off like this. So obviously we will change that so it gets proper steering and a control stick in front of the boat. But that will go on the boat. And yeah. It's a quick introduction to the boat. We'll really try to focus on documenting this restoration properly, not like the last couple of ones where we get distracted and then things get a bit out of hand and then I just showed you the finished product. And yeah, stay tuned. If you have questions, comments on it, please use the comment section. If you like what we do, please consider subscribing. Check us out on Twitter and Facebook. Links are in the description. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.